Today we are going to see the poem No Men Are Foreign by James Kirkup. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe. So let's start. Remember, no men are strange, no country is foreign. Beneath all uniforms, a single body breathes. Poet is saying here that if we see a person who belongs to another country or who is a foreigner, then we treat him as a stranger. But poet is saying here that no man is a stranger, or there is no country which is called as foreign. All the countries should be treated as one. Beneath all uniform, a single body breathes means every country has a specific uniform for their soldiers, but beneath every uniform there is a person, a human being. So we should treat all the people as one, and we should not treat anyone as a stranger. Like ours, the land our brothers walk upon is earth like this, in which we all shall lie. Means in whatever country we live on the earth, and that is true. So we should not discriminate between the persons living in different countries. Every There are countries, but they are on earth only, no, not on another planet, no. So we should not discriminate on the basis of countries to the people. And like our land, they also live on land like ours only. So why to discriminate people based on the countries? And they are like our brothers, so treat them like that only. They too aware of sun and air and water. So as we get sun rays or air or water, like us, they also get the same. So why to discriminate? Are fed by peaceful harvest, by wars long winter start. Like how we harvest in the farms, they also harvest. And how we had wars between each other, so we should end up all the wars between the countries and be like a one country, or not a one country, but be like one, which all the people should believe that only we live on earth and not on countries. Their hands are ours, and in their lines we read a labor not different from our own. Means we should treat them as equal, that how their hands are ours means how they work as also we work, how they do struggle or how they perform anything, we also perform in the same way, or we also do labor work as them also. So why to treat anyone like a stranger? Remember, they have eyes like ours that wake. So, as we have eyes that wake us in the morning, so they also have the same. So, why to discriminate? Our sleep and strength that can be one. Means as how we close our eyes and sleep, and how we get up by waking up our eyes. In the same way, the foreign country people also do the same. By love in every land is common life that all can recognize and understand. So, the poet is saying here that every land is having a common life, that the life of human being, as we all can recognize and understand. So, why to discriminate between the countries and also the people? Let us remember, whenever we are told to hate our brothers, is it ourselves? So, whenever we are told that these are foreigners, these are strangers, don't be well with them, to hate them, then we should remember that they are us only. As the poet is saying, to hate our brothers, is it ourselves? So if we are hating the people that are strangers, so we are hating ourselves only, that we shall dispossess between condemned. Remember, we who take arms against each other. So we have many disputes or many wars between countries and between people, but we should remember we all are at the same one only, a one human being only. As so we can say that, what we can say that, why these wars are necessary, why to fight? Only human beings are only there that live on earth, so we should be united and should be very generous or very much calm to the foreigners or the people who belong to foreign countries. Is it the human earth that we defile? Our hells of fire and dust outrage the innocence of air that is everywhere our own. So let's remember, no men are foreign and no countries are strange. So, as it is told again and again that we all are human beings that live on earth, or our hells of fire and dust outrage innocence, means if we fight and if the bodies are lying, then they are burnt, and the same fire and dust outrage our innocence, means that fight makes our air polluted. What is the use of all of these things of air that is everywhere our own? Means, see, if we burn or if we defeat any another country that is while fighting, then we should understand that they are our own people, and we are burning the bodies of that people which belongs to us only. Remember, no men are foreign and no country strange. So, poet is repeating the first line here again to remember that no men are foreign and no countries are strange. So, we should not discriminate within any human being which is on the earth. So, this message is given by the poet in this poem, that remember, no men are foreign and no country strange. So, thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel.